What is RAP? It is a global social compliance certification for apparel industries or textile industries, garments industries. It ensures lawful, human, and ethical manufacturing practice. It focuses on responsible workplace practice. Why RAP certification is important in RMG industries? It builds buyers' confidence for global brands. It ensures ethical and safe workplace environment, reduces audit failures and compliance. It improves reputation and competitiveness. I told you yesterday, almost all the compliance covers the same thing: ethical business practice, workplace safety, social compliance, workers' fair wages, no child labor, reduces failures, improve confidence, improves reputation, brand image. These are the common achievement mainly we get in all compliance system. But buyers may propose some compliance system in different industries according to the buyer's requirements. What are the RAP principles? Compliance with laws, prohibition of forced labor, prohibition of child labor, prohibition of harassment or abuse. Compensation and benefits. RAP suggests to give compensation, benefits, incentive, provident fund, gratuity. These are the compensation and benefit package RAP certification always ask from the certified organization. Working hours should be as international law. Normal working hours 8 hours. If work pressure requires overtime, it should be maximum 4 hours overtime, and overtime payments should be at least 1.5 times of basic hourly salary. Prohibition of discrimination. There should not be any discrimination on the basis of race, religion, gender. Health and safety. RAP ensures workers should be given proper health and safety workplace. Freedom of association and collective bargaining. Every organization should have some association, trade union. RAP ensures organization should allow this association practice. Working environment, customs compliance, security. Customs compliance means, for example, a Muslim has some customs, a Hindu or Christian, according to religion, according to race, everyone has different customs to follow. So organization should allow to practice different customs for different society. Steps to obtain RAP certification. How to obtain RAP certification? First, we have to apply for certification to a certification body. There are different certification body working around the world. So after application, the certification body will come and find the gap. What are the documentation requirements to get the RAP certification? They will suggest the gap analysis. After analyzing the gap, we have to, our organization has to work on this gap to fulfill. Then organization will conduct an internal audit to see whether the gap is fulfilled, whether the requirements is fulfilled to get the final audit. Once internal audit is completed and the findings analyzed and corrective action taken, management will ask certification body to conduct the assessment audit for RAP certification. RAP audit by accredited auditor. Or certification body will send auditors who are certified auditors, have experience and skill to do the audit. They will come and do the audit. After audit, they will propose any non-conformance, any findings, any opportunity for improvement or any observation. After getting these findings and the corrective action taken by the management, once the corrective action sent to the certification body will issue the certificates.